Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix a GCash app game not opening. So first you have to make sure that your phone is connected to a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the game loads. To restart the GCash application, you can close the GCash application completely. On Android, tap recent apps, swipe GCash away. Step 3, you can now clear cache. Just long press the Gcash, go to app info right here, and then look for storage usage. Now, once you found the storage usage here on your Gcash, you just have to look for clear cache. Tap on clear cache right here. Next is update the Gcash application. So open Google Play Store if you're using Android, App Store for Apple, and then search for Gcash. Check if there's an update. If yes, update the application and try again. Now restart your phone. Sometimes a simple reboot fixes temporary glitches. Turn off your phone, turn it back, and then open Gcash. Now check for system updates. Go to settings system, software update. If there's an available update right here, just install and restart. Now reinstall GCash application. If there's still problem, uninstall the application, download and install it again from Google Play Store or Apple Store. Log in and try launching the game. The very last thing is contact GCash support. So if none of this work, open the GCash application help center, contact support for further assistance. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.